Essential oils are both pure and potent. They can have instant, powerful effects on our bodies. One of doTERRA's most popular essential oil blends is Deep Blue. Grab your Deep Blue oil if it's handy, so you can immediately experience the relaxing effects. After a long day, this oil can help you unwind to let go of stress and ease tension. A little bit goes a long way. Place 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil in your hand. Then, gently massage this into your shoulders. You'll feel the Deep Blue go to work to soothe and relax muscles and lighten stress. Because the oils are so powerful, be careful as you use them. Wash your hands to avoid any possible discomfort should the oils come in contact with your eyes or other sensitive areas. With Deep Blue, you get the comforting effects without any of the toxins or chemicals that are present in synthetic products. If you love the Deep Blue oil, you'll also want to try Deep Blue Rub that intensifies the cooling and warming sensations. Once this oil is part of your daily routine, you won't ever want to be without it.